On the near side of the moon right now, there are patches of dust rusting red, the same iron oxide that turns an old nail orange on Earth. That should be impossible. Rust needs oxygen and water, and the moon has neither. It has no breathable air, no rivers, no rain, nothing that should ever let iron corrode. Yet there it is, glowing faintly red in satellite scans, concentrated most heavily near the lunar poles. The discovery came in 2020, when planetary scientist Shuai Lee at the University of Hawaii was combing through old data from Chandrayaan-1, India's lunar orbiter, using an instrument called the Moon Mineralogy Mapper. He wasn't looking for rust. He was mapping water ice. But the spectral signature kept showing hematite, a mineral that only forms when iron meets oxygen, spread across the lunar highlands like a bruise no one could explain. Here's where it gets stranger, and it's worth sticking around for, because we post one of these every single day, and this is one of the wildest ones yet, so subscribe now if you don't want to miss tomorrow's. The moon should be chemically incapable of rusting. It sits inside a constant stream of solar wind, a river of hydrogen particles that acts like a chemical eraser, stripping oxygen away from iron before rust can ever form. So where was the oxygen even coming from, and how was it surviving long enough to do its work? The answer Lee's team found is Earth. Our planet's magnetotail, an invisible stream of oxygen atoms leaking out of the upper atmosphere, stretches far beyond the moon's orbit and brushes across its surface every month. Oxygen molecules that escaped Earth's atmosphere have been drifting 239,000 miles through space and landing on lunar dust, slowly binding with iron trapped in the rock. The rust is heaviest on the side of the moon that faces us, as if Earth has been signing its work. But there's a catch that stopped the researchers cold, and if this kind of detail fascinates you, drop a comment and tell us what part surprised you most. Solar wind hydrogen should still be wiping the oxygen out before rust can form, every single day. The fix seems to be timing. For about 5 days each month, during the full moon, Earth's magnetosphere swings directly between the moon and the sun, blocking the solar wind entirely. In that narrow window, oxygen from Earth reaches the moon unopposed, and the iron gets just enough time to rust before the shield drops away again. Which means every full moon you've ever looked up at, Earth has been quietly reaching across space and leaving rust on its surface, a few days at a time, for billions of years. Scientists still don't know how deep the rusted layer goes, or what it might reveal about water once trapped in that dust. Hit the bell so you catch tomorrow's when we dig into what else Earth may be leaving behind on worlds we thought were untouched.